Are you looking for ways to effectively promote your business and attract new customers? Look no further. In this video, we will share 12 tips that can help you to effectively market your business and increase your reach. From utilizing local listings and social media to creating engaging content and optimizing your website's SEO, these tips can help you to maximize your marketing efforts and drive more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, read on for our top 12 tips to promote your business. 1. Utilize local listings and directory services. One effective way to market your small business is by taking advantage of local listings and directory services. By registering your business with Google My Business, you can make it easier for potential customers to find your company's location, hours of operation, and contact information. Additionally, Google My Business allows customers to post reviews of your business, which can help to build trust and credibility. Setting up a Google My Business account is a simple and free way to increase your company's visibility in online searches and attract new customers. 2. Leverage social media. In today's digital age, having a strong presence on social media is essential for small businesses. These platforms allow you to actively inform, attract, and engage with your followers, and can be a powerful tool for building brand awareness and driving sales. It is typically free to set up a business account on most social media sites, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, making it a cost-effective way to advertise your business. While creating paid posts and other forms of social media advertising does require an investment, there are also many free ways to reach and engage with your target audience through social media. By regularly posting relevant and engaging content, interacting with your followers, and utilizing hashtags and other features, you can effectively promote your business and reach new customers. 3. Produce engaging and valuable content. Creating engaging and valuable content is a powerful way to spread brand awareness, establish your company as an industry expert, and build trust with your target audience. There are many different types of content that you can use to achieve these goals, including blog posts, video tutorials, infographics, podcasts, and social media posts. By consistently producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can attract new visitors to your website, establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry, and ultimately drive more sales and revenue for your business. In addition to its benefits for marketing and branding, producing content can also help to improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find your business online. 4. Optimize your website's search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the visibility and ranking of your website in search engine results pages, SERPs, such as Google. By optimizing your website's SEO, you can increase the chances of users finding your site when they search online for businesses like yours, which can drive more traffic, leads, and sales. There are many different factors that contribute to a website's SEO, including the use of relevant keywords, the quality and quantity of content, the structure and organization of the website, and the presence of external links. To optimize your website's SEO, it can be helpful to do some research online or consult with an SEO expert or agency. Some common SEO strategies include keyword research and implementation, content creation and optimization, link building, and technical SEO. 5. Draft and distribute press releases. A press release is a written statement provided to the media to announce something newsworthy about your business. By creating and distributing press releases, you can get free publicity and reach a much broader audience through local news outlets and other media outlets. Press releases are typically used to announce new products or services, major business milestones or achievements, events, or partnerships, but can also be used to provide additional information or context on a variety of topics. When drafting a press release, it is important to include all of the relevant information in a clear, concise, and objective manner, and to follow the standard format and guidelines of press releases. After creating a press release, you can distribute it to relevant media outlets either through a press release distribution service or by contacting them directly. 6. Engage in online communities and forums. Participating in online communities and forums related to your industry is a great way to promote your business and build connections with potential customers and partners. By actively contributing to conversations and discussions, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your field and build a reputation for expertise and credibility. There are many different online communities and forums that you can join, such as industry-specific forums, LinkedIn groups, and social media groups. To get the most out of your participation in these communities, it is important to be consistent and genuine in your interactions, offer valuable insights and resources, and avoid self-promotion or spamming. Additionally, you can consider offering to write guest posts on relevant blogs or websites to further increase your visibility and authority. 7. Invest in high-quality visual content. Visual content, such as images and videos, is an essential element of modern marketing and can be very effective in attracting and engaging customers. By investing in high-quality visuals, you can differentiate your business and create a more professional and visually appealing online presence. Some types of visual content that you can consider using to promote your business include product photos or videos, facility or location photos, staff photos or videos, infographics, and other types of graphics or visual aids. When creating visual content, it is important to focus on producing high-quality and professional-looking images or videos that accurately represent your business and resonate with your target audience. Visual content can be used on your website, social media, email marketing, and other online platforms to increase engagement and drive more traffic, leads, and sales. 8. Utilize paid advertising. If you want to quickly expand your reach and increase visibility for your business, paid advertising can be an effective option. Some popular paid advertising methods include television and radio ads, promoted social media posts, and pay-per-click (PPC) ads. Television and radio ads are traditional forms of advertising that can reach a wide audience, but they tend to be more expensive than other options. Promoted social media posts allow you to turn one of your business's social media posts into an ad that can be targeted to a specific audience, region, and time period. PPC ads are a type of digital advertising in which you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. These ads are typically placed at the top of search engine results pages and can be targeted using keywords and other factors. While paid advertising can be a useful tool for promoting your business, it is important to carefully consider your budget and goals and to carefully track and measure the performance of your ads to ensure that they are effective and worth the investment. 9. Attend local and community events. If you operate a local business, participating in local and community events can be a great way to network and promote your business. These events can provide opportunities to meet fellow business owners, prospective customers, and other stakeholders in person or virtually. By attending events that are relevant to your industry or target audience, you can establish yourself as a presence in the local community, build relationships, and showcase your products or services. Some examples of events that you can consider attending include trade shows, conferences, festivals, networking events, and community gatherings. In addition to promoting your business directly at these events, you can also consider sponsoring or supporting the events as a way to increase your visibility and build goodwill. 10. Exhibit at trade shows. Trade shows are events that bring together buyers and sellers from specific industries, providing an opportunity for businesses to showcase their products or services to a targeted and interested audience. Exhibiting at a trade show can be a costly investment, but it can also be a highly effective way to generate leads and make connections with potential customers and partners. By setting up a booth or display at a trade show, you can directly interact with attendees, showcase your products or services, and collect contact information for follow-up marketing efforts. To get the most out of your trade show experience, it is important to prepare well in advance, develop a clear strategy and goals, and follow up with leads promptly after the event. Trade shows can be a great way to build brand awareness, generate leads, and make new connections in your industry. 11. Host workshops or webinars. Hosting workshops or webinars is a great way to gain exposure, position yourself as an authority in your field, and provide value to prospective customers. By sharing your expertise and knowledge through workshops or webinars, you can attract new clients, make connections in your industry, and collect contact information from attendees. Workshops and webinars can be particularly effective for businesses that offer specialized skills or technical information, as they provide an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise and provide valuable resources to attendees. To maximize the benefits of hosting a workshop or webinar, it is important to carefully plan and prepare, choose a relevant and engaging topic, and promote your event to your target audience. Workshops and webinars can be held in person or online, depending on your preferences and the needs of your audience. 12. Offer discounts or free trials. Offering discounts or free trials is a great way to attract new customers and encourage them to try your products or services. Introductory discounts can be an effective way to incentivize new customers to make a purchase, and free trials or samples can allow prospective customers to try your product or service without a financial commitment. This can build trust and credibility, and give your work the opportunity to speak for itself. In addition to offering discounts or free trials to new customers, you can also consider offering referral incentives or other deals to existing customers, which can help to encourage word-of-mouth marketing and drive more sales. When offering discounts or free trials, it is important to carefully consider your pricing strategy and the impact on your bottom line, and to clearly communicate the terms and conditions of the offer to your customers. Good luck!